Eczema versus psoriasis. How to tell the difference? Are you struggling with itchy, red or scaly skin condition? Maybe you have heard of eczema and psoriasis, but you are confused between the two of them. Which skin disease exactly you have? You look at your skin and assume it could be eczema sometimes or it could be psoriasis, but you do not know what exactly you are dealing with. See, both eczema and psoriasis are mostly similar, but yet they are different from each other. Let us explore how eczema and psoriasis have some significant differences and how you can identify them on the basis of appearance, symptoms, and disease triggers. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Madhvi Vaish. You are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel where you can learn so much on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga and exercise, and disease treatment with homeopathic care. Okay, so let's first understand what the two diseases are, eczema and psoriasis. Eczema is also called atopic dermatitis. It is a chronic skin condition that makes your skin inflamed, red, dry, and super itchy. It is often linked to allergies due to dust mites, pests, dander, soaps, detergents, and lotions, asthma, and a weak skin barrier. On the other hand, psoriasis is an autoimmune skin condition that makes your skin cells multiply too quickly, leading to red, inflamed, thick and scaly flakes. So, from this discussion, I hope you understand that eczema is your skin overreacting to irritants due to weakened skin barriers, whereas psoriasis is all about immune dysfunction overproducing skin cells in less time. Now, let's know how eczema and psoriasis appear. Eczema appears as red, inflamed and dry patches on the skin. Your skin may look cracked, ooze as some fluid comes out, or it may bleed sometimes. You may also observe blisters or crust on your skin, whereas in psoriasis, thick and silvery white colored scales are present. You may notice red, inflamed, raised and well-defined plaques on the skin. The next, I will tell you where they appear on the body. So, let's first talk about eczema. It often affects the elbows and knees. It may also appear on your face, neck and hands. On the other hand, psoriasis may occur on the face, scalp, nails, hands, legs, back and genitals. The simple way to identify eczema and psoriasis is that eczema is dry and cracked, whereas psoriasis is thick, raised and silvery white colored plaques. Intense itching is the top symptom of eczema. It may happen even if you do not have any rash on your skin. Itching can be worse if you scratch, leading to other skin infections, whereas psoriasis can also be itchy, but it is more of a burning or stinging sensation. The scales might feel tight, rough, dry, and painful. Okay, so we have discussed the difference between eczema and psoriasis, how they appear and where they could occur. Now, let's discuss what could be their possible triggers. Eczema triggers include allergens like pollen, dust mites, and pet dander. Irritants like soaps, detergents, perfumes can also cause eczema. Even if you are living in a cold and dry weather condition, you will be more prone to eczema. The next is stress. It is a major cause of almost every health issue. On the other hand, psoriasis is a result of immune dysfunction where your immune system mistakenly attacks the healthy skin cells. However, several factors contribute to the worsening of the system like diet, dry and cold weather, alcohol intake, skin injuries, streptococcal infection and stress. Well, I have shared a piece of very crucial information on eczema and psoriasis with you. Now it is important to know that what actually you are suffering from. In case you cannot figure out your condition, you can consult your healthcare provider and solve it on time. Skin disease need holistic care as they are the manifestation of what is wrong happening in your body. Homeopathy is the most relevant choice of medicine in the present time as it is safe, effective and brings result in less time. Unlike modern medicine, which tackles psoriasis with phototherapy, steroids, and medicated lotion, which cause major side effects in the long run of the treatment. Homeopathic medicines are absolutely side effects free and come in small globules dipped in potentized alcohol-based medicine. Bharat Homeopathy has a record of successfully treating thousands of patients worldwide. We are a team of doctors who do proper case taking and prescribe homeopathic medicines based on patients' constitution and symptoms. If you have any questions related to psoriasis and its treatment, you can call us on our number and talk to us today. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks.